If you got some drums to tune,
Like, share, and subscribe.
catch it and share us on YouTube.
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right.
Subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
Get a tune in.
Hello everyone, drum tech, drummer, and YouTube educator Kelly Shu Flatz coming to you from Horn Lizard Studios with a quick video on putting an S-hoop on my Rogers Dyna-Sonic Maple Snare. Now I did my DynaSonic Maple Snare review video here at Horn Lizard Studios, so I wanted to bring this drum back in with a different hoop, but with the same head and a similar tuning as I did in some of my other videos on this drum, to let you hear the difference that an S-hoop can have on it, because as a rock and pop drummer who plays a lot of country and does some blues and stuff, sometimes I want to be able to lay in a little bit harder on this snare without tearing it up and get a little bit beefier sound and a hair more crack at a lower tension. And I'll be honest with you, now that I've put this S-hoop on that somebody suggested, I'm getting that out of this drum. You still get that beautiful DynaSonic sensitivity and tone, but you get a lot more crack, a lot thicker tone, a lot thicker beef to the sound of the drum, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some parts for you, let you check it out. Again, this is an Evans Power Center reverse dot on this drum, one of my faves on this style of drum. And let's give it a listen. Yeah, man, I'm digging it. For some of my rock gigs, I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this. Now, I'll be honest with you, I told you in my first video, probably is gonna be the snare that I go to all the time. It's been my go-to snare. A little bit of Black Beauty, a little bit of Ludwig, even a little DW here and there, but pretty much 90% of my gigs, it's been this beautiful DynaSonic. In the studio, beautiful DynaSonic. And this S-hoop gives me a chance to not only get more beef out of it, but also rim click, because it's got that curved in, so more stick surface gives you more. Yeah, easy as pie, man. Listen, in Texas, you're going to be playing with some fiddles in your band. You better have a good rim click sound. This S-hoop gives it to me on this DynaSonic with all the depth of the drum, the sensitivity of the drum, and all the heft I need for whatever kind of music I'm playing, man. So y'all, if you're thinking about beefing up your DynaSonic, pretty much any drum that doesn't give you quite the spank you need, or you need more rim click, or you just want to step up to a thicker hoop without going full diecast, this S-hoop might be a solution for y'all. I'm kind of enjoying it, guys, ladies, drummers, solid. Stick around for more videos on my YouTube channel. Drum tech tips, drum tuning tips, product reviews. YouTube, Kelly Shu Flatz.